Hey, Greg Ryan here with Jesus Mighty Men, and I want to show you a cool calculator that I created based on my Kingdom of God teaching. And I'm not going to go into all that. I've got a separate teaching on that, but this is for physical activity. And you can see it says physical activity Sabbath. So, and I'll explain a little of that here in a minute, but what it does is if I've got lower exercises, lower body, so this is what I do. I'm doing squats, body weight squats. So say you start your year out with 25, you can do those pretty easy. And then upper body, we're going to do push-ups. We'll keep it at 15 and 45 for crunches. Better put that down to 30. So what this does, what this calculator will do is it takes your original input and then it creates a database or a spreadsheet. It creates answers based on a 1% increase each day. So you're just going to make minute, small daily increases to your workout. And what it'll do is it'll calculate what you need to do each day. And I think that the simple things are the most profound, and the Kingdom of God calculator is, I think, a profound finding. It's God. But anyway, if you will look at this real quick. Say you start off with 25 body weight squats. Day 1 you're doing 25, day 2 you're doing 25, and I'm not going to read all this, but you can see how it changes just very little. But what I want you to see, the profound effect. Nothing really major going on. Day 60 you're at 42, and then, but I want you to look down here today, 365. In 1 year, in 1 full year, at 20, if you start at 25 body weight squats, you're at 557 at the end of the year. And if you start at 15 push-ups, you're doing 334 push-ups by the end of the year. And if you start with 30 crunches, you're doing 669 at the end of the year. So that's pretty cool. And it's just small increases. Anybody can do this. You're going to put your own numbers in, and I'm going to make this calculator available for everybody, but I just wanted to show you real quick how that works, so when you get it, you'll know what to do. But what the other thing that I did this whole calculator, and I had it all laid out 1 to 365, and then I got that thought in my head, well, what about the Sabbath? And I was like, oh, I didn't have it in there. So I had to build a Sabbath day. Every 7th day, you will take a break. You're not going to do any physical activity. So that's one of God's top 10. I know a lot of us don't really get involved and doesn't think about it, but we need to take a day off. So God has been on me all about that. So I'm going to teach on that too. But anyway, I wanted to show that. I don't want this video to keep going on and on, but you'll see right here that the Sabbath, the 7th day, is blank. So these calculations just move to the next day. And what I'm doing, and I'm doing this myself right now, but on day 1, everybody's day 1 is going to be different. And if day 1 is a Tuesday, then what I do is I print this thing out, and so I've got 1 through 365, and then I just mark off each day as I do it. And when it gets to, I've chosen Sunday as my Sabbath. When it gets to my day 7, even if I'm still on day 3, I just circle day 7 and check it off as my Sabbath. And then the next day, Monday, I go back to where I was day 4. So anyway, I hope that explains it. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout, or hit me up on Facebook, or an email that comes with this. But I hope you enjoy this. I love this thing. So I've got a couple other calculators for business and for spiritual time, but I wanted to get this one out to you. This is on physical activity. These are just physical activities, little exercises that you can do that within a year will make a huge difference. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, my name is Greg Ryan, and I'm the teacher and founder of Jesus Mighty Men.